Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to draw toilet paper in Adobe Illustrator. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Using the ellipse tool, draw a vertical ellipse and set its color. We will upload the vectors we make in this and all future videos to our Patreon account for our Patreon supporters. Support us by visiting the link in the announcement and choosing any monthly package on Patreon and take advantage of the benefits. Copy the ellipse and set it aside. And we copy this ellipse, reduce it and set its color. Draw two rectangles with the rectangle tool and set their color. And again, with the rectangle tool, we draw the last rectangle and the toilet paper vector is ready. You can repeat what I did and do the necessary touches to make it look more realistic. Support us by going to our Patreon account from the link in the announcement and choosing any monthly package. Thanks.